Hello and welcome to World Machines channel. This is why you need to pay attention to Cadillac's latest move. I'm sure you've heard the news. Cadillac. The name alone evokes images of chrome-laden land yachts gliding down American highways. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with American luxury. However, the future is electric. Cadillac is embracing this new era with open arms. The brand is undergoing a transformation, shedding its old skin and embracing cutting-edge technology. This shift is about redefining Cadillac in the 21st century. The 2024 Lyriq embodies Cadillac's commitment to luxury and sustainability. This is a new chapter in Cadillac's storied history. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is not just Cadillac's first EV. It's a bold declaration of intent, designed to compete with the best electric SUVs. Built on GM's Ultium platform, it boasts impressive specs, offers over 300 miles on a single charge, features a spacious, luxurious interior packed with advanced technology and premium materials. More than just impressive features. A holistic expression of Cadillac's vision for the future, combining cutting-edge tech with sustainability. The Lyriq marks a turning point for Cadillac, paving the way for luxurious, sustainable EVs, signifying Cadillac's commitment to an electric future, ready to make its mark on the luxury EV market. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is a head-turner. Its design is both futuristic and elegant. It manages to be instantly recognizable as a Cadillac while also charting a new design direction for the brand. The exterior is sleek and aerodynamic. It features sharp lines and a low-slung profile that gives it a sporty stance. The Lyriq's signature design element is its illuminated grille. This grille is not just a functional element, it's a work of art. The grille features intricate lighting sequences that activate when the vehicle is unlocked or charging. This creates a dramatic and futuristic visual effect. The interior of the Lyriq is equally impressive. It's a spacious and luxurious cabin. The cabin is crafted from high-quality materials and features a minimalist design aesthetic. The centerpiece of the interior is a massive 33-inch LED display. It provides the driver with all the necessary information and entertainment options. The Lyriq is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The instant torque of its electric motors provides brisk acceleration. The Lyriq can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Despite its size, the Lyriq handles with surprising agility. The steering is precise and well-weighted. It gives the driver a sense of confidence and control. The Lyriq's low center of gravity, thanks to its battery pack being mounted low in the chassis, contributes to its impressive handling. This setup minimizes body roll and enhances stability. The Lyriq offers a remarkably quiet and comfortable ride. The absence of engine noise allows you to fully appreciate the quietness of the cabin. The suspension does an excellent job of absorbing road imperfections. Cadillac has engineered the Lyriq to deliver a driving experience that is both engaging and refined. It's a vehicle that is equally at home navigating city streets or cruising on the open highway. Step inside the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that is both luxurious and technologically advanced. The interior is thoughtfully designed, focusing on both comfort and functionality. High-quality materials such as leather upholstery and real wood trim create a premium ambience. The centerpiece of the Lyriq's interior is the massive 33-inch LED display, which spans the entire width of the dashboard. This curved display is not just visually impressive, it's also incredibly intuitive to use. It provides access to a wide range of features, including navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The Lyriq also features a head-up display that projects key information onto the windshield, allowing the driver to keep their eyes on the road. Additionally, it comes standard with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is available with Super Cruise, General Motors Advanced, hands-free driving system. Super Cruise allows the driver to take their hands off the steering wheel on compatible highways. It uses a combination of cameras, sensors, and GPS data to keep the vehicle centered in its lane and maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles. Super Cruise is not a fully autonomous driving system. It requires the driver to remain attentive and ready to take control of the vehicle if necessary. However, Super Cruise can significantly reduce driver fatigue on long journeys, making highway driving a more relaxing and enjoyable experience. The availability of Super Cruise on the Lyriq further enhances its appeal as a technologically advanced and luxurious SUV. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq enters a competitive luxury electric SUV market, which includes established players like the Tesla Model Y and the Audi e-tron. So how does the Lyriq stack up against the competition? In terms of price, the Lyriq is positioned competitively within the segment. It offers a compelling combination of luxury, technology, and performance for its price point. The Lyriq undercuts some of its rivals on price, yet offers a more spacious interior and a longer list of standard features. The Lyriq's standout feature is its impressive range. Its range of over 300 miles on a single charge puts it ahead of many of its competitors. The Lyriq also boasts a more luxurious interior than some of its rivals, featuring high-quality materials and advanced technology. Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system is another area where the Lyriq differentiates itself from the competition. Its inclusion makes the Lyriq a more compelling option for buyers who prioritize technology and convenience. While the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is an impressive entry into the luxury electric SUV market, there are a few areas where it could improve. Some critics have noted that the Lyriq's infotainment system, while feature-rich, can be a bit slow to respond at times. The touchscreen interface, while generally intuitive, could benefit from a few physical buttons for frequently used functions. The Lyriq's charging speed, while competitive, is not the fastest in its class. Some rivals offer faster charging times. This difference could be a consideration for buyers who frequently rely on public charging stations. Additionally, the Lyriq's rear cargo space, while adequate, is not as generous as some of its competitors. This limitation could be a drawback for buyers who frequently haul large items. Despite these minor shortcomings, the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq remains a compelling option in the luxury electric SUV market. Its strengths, including its impressive range, luxurious interior, and advanced technology, outweigh its minor flaws. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is built on General Motors' new Ultium platform. Ultium is a modular EV platform. This platform will underpin a wide range of future electric vehicles from GM's various brands. The Ultium platform is designed to be highly flexible and scalable. It can accommodate a variety of vehicle sizes and body styles. The Ultium platform features a structural battery pack that is integrated into the vehicle's chassis. This integration enhances rigidity and improves handling. The battery pack uses a chemistry that is both energy-dense and cost-effective. This combination enables the Lyriq to achieve its impressive range. The Ultium platform is a key part of General Motors' strategy to transition to an all-electric future. It represents a significant investment in electric vehicle technology. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is more than just a new car. It's a statement of intent from a brand that is embracing the future of mobility. The Lyriq is a Cadillac for a new generation of drivers. These drivers are tech-savvy and environmentally conscious. They demand both luxury and sustainability from their vehicles. The Lyriq's blend of style, performance, and technology is designed to appeal to a younger demographic. This demographic is increasingly interested in electric vehicles. The Lyriq's spacious and luxurious interior, coupled with its advanced technology features, makes it an ideal vehicle for families and professionals alike. Cadillac is positioning the Lyriq as a halo vehicle for its electric vehicle lineup. It signals the brand's commitment to creating electric vehicles that are both desirable and innovative. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is a pivotal vehicle for Cadillac. It's a bold step into the future of mobility. The Lyriq is a compelling entry into the luxury electric SUV market. It offers a winning combination of style, performance, technology, and luxury. The Lyriq is more than just an electric vehicle, it's a statement. It demonstrates that Cadillac is serious about its commitment to electrification. The Lyriq is a vehicle that is both luxurious and sustainable. It's a Cadillac that stays true to the brand's heritage while embracing the future of the automotive industry. With its impressive range, advanced technology, and luxurious interior, the Lyriq is poised to make a significant impact on the luxury electric SUV market. The Lyriq is not just a new car, it's the dawn of a new era for Cadillac.